Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today we're taking a look at a 2007 Lexus ES350. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 272 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A tan leather interior with a wood trim. Sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Come around back. Got a clean set of floor mats. Coming up front. Keyless entry. Memory seats. Power windows. Power seats. Hopping in, we've got a wood grain leather steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. A push start ignition. Our media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, climate controls, cassette player, automatic transmission. This ES350 has 128,949 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus ES350, check out feldmanimports.com.